Hi, I'm Alex Housten, COO of Rheem Manufacturing Company, and I'm here with RheemPerspectives. At Rheem, manufacturing excellence means meeting our customers' high expectations for available on-time product, high quality out of the box, and a long, dependable, useful life. Manufacturing excellence really means doing this over and over again, reliably, repeatably, with process control, so trust can be built with our customers around the globe. In Rheem's operations, our core values of safety, quality, and innovation guide everything we do. What we believe strongly is everybody has a role as a unique expert in their job to contribute innovation in the way we manufacture. Whether it's the improvement of a basic assembly process or brand new production technology leading the way in our industry, innovation is everyone's job at Rheem. On the eve of Rheem's 100th anniversary, as I look back on our history, I see a century of innovation. And the best part about it, that innovation is present across the company. Whether it's in our manufacturing centers, if it's in our design centers, everybody takes a role to innovate and lead. It's part of our culture. The future of manufacturing at Rheem is all about equipping and empowering our people to get the very most from their efforts. And our waste is reduced to near zero, so we have the most responsible and sustainable operations possible. And we can only do that through everybody's contribution, involvement, and commitment to advancing our manufacturing in every role, every station, every process, each and every day. Small steps put together over a term like 100 years make a real difference. Look where Rheem is today, and I'm confident our future is bright.